Hi guys, how's it going? And welcome to Coupon Club. So this is going to be a really quick video because I just got back from Dollar General and I picked up some like dirt cheap laundry detergent. So I just wanted to share this breakdown with you guys so you guys can go out and do it too, because today is the last day that you can pick this up for super cheap. So store, Dollar General, product, all laundry detergent. And these at Dollar General, there's if you guys didn't know, Dollar General is actually doing a 3-day sale for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And today's Tuesday, so it's the last day of that 3-day sale. And these all laundry pods, they're a 19-pack of the laundry pods. These are normally priced at $5, but right now they're buy one, get one free. So you want to go into Dollar General and you want to go ahead and pick up two because they're buy one, get one free. So at $5 each, we're getting one for free. So right now we're paying $5 for both of these, but check your Dollar General accounts, guys, because we have digital coupons which we can use. So I had a few digital coupons which I could use for these actually. So I had a $2 off of one and a $1.50 off of one, and both of those digital coupons came off, meaning that I got both of these detergents for just a $1.50. So yeah, 75 cents for each of these. That is dirt cheap, guys. From $5 down to 75 cents. I was like, I need to do that. And actually, I thought it was such a good deal. I did it like, let me just show you. I did it like 3 times on 3 different accounts because I thought it was awesome. I wanted these for 75 cents a piece. And actually, one of the times that I did it, because I saw my store had some stuff in stock that I could get for free. So just to show you guys, you know, because maybe you'll want to do this too. I saw that in my store, other than these all sheets, they also had these bounce dryer sheets. I think it's a 20 count. And these aren't on sale or anything. It's not part of the 3-day sale. But these are just regularly priced at $2. And in the December P&G, we have this coupon right here, which is attaching to it, making it free. So on one of the deals that I did, I actually picked up 2 of these and 4 of these. Yeah, 4 of these, and I used 4 of these coupons, and then for both of these pods and all 4 of these dryer sheets, I paid $1.50. So I actually have my receipts right here to show you guys. So, which one is this? So here's one where I got just the all pods, not the dryer sheets. And as you can see on this receipt, I paid $1.50 for both of them. So without any of the coupons or the sales, it would have been $10 for both of those laundry pods. But hell no, I'm not paying $10. I'll pay $1.50 though. So yeah, $1.50 for both of those. Today only. Remember, run out and go get these. Buy one, get one free. And we have 2 digital coupons, a $2 off of one and a $1.50 off one, making it so you can get both for $1.50. And just in case you guys want to see my other receipt with the free dryer sheets, here is that. So yep, free dryer sheets at Dollar General using that coupon. So with those free dryer sheets, I was actually able to get all 4 of those dryer sheets plus 2 of these for $1.50. Actually, I'm lying. I actually also got something else. I also bought some envelopes with this transaction because I've been doing giveaways a lot and I need to mail out the coupons for my giveaway winners. So I actually threw in this on top of that. So it was an extra $1. So for the 2 pods, the 4 sheets, and my envelopes, it was $2.50 because those envelopes were $1. But if I didn't get those envelopes, I would have been able to get all that stuff for $1.50. And if you guys are still watching this video, I'm going to show you a little treat. This bounce dryer sheet right here, you guys can get this for free using this $2 coupon, but you can also get this for free plus $1 overage. So yeah, $1 overage with this, and the coupon that you need to get the $1 overage is this $3 coupon right here. So this came out in the same exact coupon insert as this one. So they both are in the December P&G, except this one is for $3 off. I'll put it a little closer to the camera. So $3 off. It's attaching to these dryer sheets. These dryer sheets are only $2, making them free plus $1 overage. $1 overage. Love that, right? So actually, if you guys don't have this coupon and you're looking to get your hands on one, that's a thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I'm going to give some away. So I'm going to give away 5 of these coupons. So yes, 5 of you guys are going to have the chance to win one of these coupons and get yourself some overage. If you want this coupon, just comment down below the word bounce. Be subscribed to my channel and like this video. I'll pick the winner for this giveaway, let's say on Thursday. So Thursday, check my community tab. I will have 5 winners posted for these bounce dryer sheets giveaway. So remember, comment bounce down below. subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you're entered to win one of these coupons to get yourself some overage. All right, guys, that's it. That's the video. I just wanted to share with you guys how you can go out and get your own free laundry pods for dirt cheap. Today only, so run out and go do this deal. All right, guys, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. If you enjoyed this, show me by giving a big thumbs up down below, and comment below if you're going to be going out and doing this deal yourself. Let me know if you're able to grab some too. All right, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.